In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Wix website. A favicon, also known as a shortcut icon or bookmark icon, is the small icon that appears next to your website's name in the Browser tab. It's a great way to help visitors easily identify your site among various open tabs. So, let's dive into the process and get your favicon set up in just 5 minutes. First, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. If you haven't already, head to the Wix website and use your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard of the website you want to add a favicon to. The dashboard is essentially your main control panel, where you can manage all aspects of your site. Next, you're going to head over to the Wix editor. This is where most of the magic happens when it comes to customizing your site. Look at the left-hand menu in the editor, and there you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Website Settings. This step is crucial because it takes you to the specific area where you'll be able to upload your favicon. Now, it's important to note that the option to customize your favicon is not available if you're using Wix's free plan. So, if you're on a premium plan, you're all set. You'll see an option for favicon within the website settings. If you're eligible, you'll see an Upload Image button or a similar upload icon. Click on it to open the Media Manager. This is where you can upload images that you'd like to use on your site. Once you're in the Media Manager, click Choose File to navigate through your computer and select the image you wish to use as your favicon. Make sure the image is clear and easily recognizable even when scaled down to a tiny icon, typically 16 by 16 pixels. After selecting the image, click to upload it to your Wix account. After your image is uploaded, simply select it, and your favicon should now appear in the settings as your chosen icon. Now, for the final step, to make your new favicon live, locate the Publish button. It's usually on the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and voila! Your favicon is now live and viewable by everyone who visits your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a favicon to your Wix website. Remember, a favicon helps strengthen your brand image, making it simpler for users to recognize your website at a glance. Thank you for watching, and make sure to tune in next time for more helpful tips and tutorials.